What's going on, world? Brought to you by Rakuten. As I was sleeping, I received a $30 cash back for someone that signed up with Rakuten to get paid by you shopping. As you can see, congratulations, Caleb, you just got paid. $30. Get 30, give 30. On this day, 12/20/2024, brought to you by a shopping app called Rakuten, that you can shop by you earning money, cash back. Every time you shop, they'll give you cash. They'll give you a check in the mail every time. I've been with a Rakuten for a long time. As you can see, get paid by you shopping with Rakuten. I'm getting this coming in my mailbox, like you say. See here, it's on its way to your mailbox. See more details, your account. Rakuten is a savings app. By you buying what you want, not what you need. We already shopping in all the stores anyway. Why not get paid for it and save you some money? What items you want, and you get half of your money back. Yes, indeed. What item you want, you get your money right back to you. Plus $30, a check by you letting other people know about Rakuten, how Rakuten can save you by you shopping on the Rakuten app. This is a worldwide business. Rakuten is a worldwide business. It's not only for America. It's worldwide. China is using it. Tokyo is using it. Africa is using it. London is using it. America is using it. The whole country is using Rakuten to get paid by you shopping on Rakuten app. They got Nike, Costco, Kohl, Staples, and so forth and so on. Yeah, this is my email I got yesterday. By me sleeping, I got paid $30. There you go. $30 I got paid from Rakuten. If you see my link out there, non-believers out there, go ahead and sign up with Rakuten. It's a free account. Start shopping today and get 30, and you get 30 back. And go from there. All right, I'll come back with you again with another video. Thanks for listening to this video. Join today, right now, while supplies last. Join today while supplies last. Thank you.